Well, Santa is trading the North Pole for a fishing pole this Christmas season and volunteering with a Southern Colorado nonprofit dedicated to helping veterans through activities like fly fishing.
Fox 21's Michelle Wells went to Pueblo Reservoir, where Project Healing Waters and St. Nick gave veterans a chance to get on the water and out of their heads.
It's like being back with all my military buddies again.
Jerry Mitz-Eddings served in the Army from 1982 to 1995, then re-enlisted in 2008. After medically retiring in 2013, Mitz's service took a toll on him.
I do suffer from PTSD, and so this, for a long time, I isolated at home, didn't do anything, and just worked.
Then he found Project Healing Waters.
It seriously changed a lot of my mentality towards being around people again and getting out with the guys and the gals and enjoying myself out here. I have something to look forward to. It's an amazing organization.
Mitz, who had no prior experience with fly fishing, has learned to build his own fishing rod, tie a fly, and much more. He says this activity is more than just a hobby for him. It's a way of healing.
Every time they have an event or a gathering or a project or whatever, and it gets me back to where I need to be. When you get out here and you start doing stuff that you have a purpose, it changes that whole aspect of the things you've experienced.
Project Healing Waters is working with the Give campaign to raise donations and keep helping veterans like Mitz. None of it is possible without the help from the community.
So many people dedicate their lives, their free time, they volunteer to run these nonprofits because they make such an important impact on our community. Where we live wouldn't be as amazing as it is without these nonprofits. And so it's kind of our job to step up and support them and find something that you're interested in and get involved with.
Michelle Wells, Fox 21 News.
And if you are interested in donating to this organization, just visit givespikespeak.org and look for Project Healing Waters under the Veterans category. The Give campaign ends on January 3rd.